Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make an image transparent in Canva, a simple trick that can instantly make your designs look more polished and professional. First, log into your Canva account. Once you're in, open an existing design or start a new one. Let's say you've added an image that doesn't quite blend into your background, or maybe you just want a softer, layered look. That's where transparency comes in. Click on the image you want to adjust. You'll see a border appear around it, showing it's selected. Now, look at the top toolbar. You'll find several editing options, and among them is the transparency icon, usually shown as a small checkerboard square. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a slider will appear. This slider controls how transparent your image is. Drag it to the left to make the image more transparent, or to the right to make it more solid. As you move the slider, you'll see your image gradually blend into the background. Adjust it until you find the perfect balance. Not too strong, not too faint. If you drag it all the way to the left, the image will almost disappear. So try to find that sweet spot that works best for your design. A helpful tip is to zoom out or preview your design as you go. This helps you see how the transparency affects your overall layout and ensures the final look feels cohesive. Once you're happy with how it looks, Canva automatically saves your work, but it's still a good idea to double check before you close your project, especially if you've made other edits. And that's it. You've just learned how to make an image transparent in Canva. It's a simple feature, but it adds depth and professionalism to your designs. Experiment with different levels of transparency to highlight text, create overlays, or make backgrounds more subtle. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.